The Virgin Atlantic Heathrow hangar situated at the east end of Heathrow Airport, where we do all our checks on all our various aircraft types. We're a 24/7 operation, 365 days a year. As they say, there's no garage in the sky.
So to deliver optimisation, we look at what tooling equipment is available on the market and see how we can utilise that to improve our processes so that we can deliver our serviceable, safe aircraft back to the airline.
Using the Milwaukee battery drivers, say for a large Benny panel, you can have 2 guys working it and you're not having to connect airlines, and we can spend probably 2 hours on a panel removal for a leading edge.
So it's all one battery, which is great if you've got an array of tools out. You don't have to drop the lifter down, go to stores, get another battery. Really beneficial to our kind of operation.
When you need to climb under a seat to look for a part number or a serial number of a bit of equipment, it's dug away. Using a flexi-scope is fantastic. We use the lighting rigs extensively. They provide a huge amount of light where we need it most, doing an engine change in dark confined spaces.
The lighting in the cargo bays is not quite good enough for repairs, but we use the Milwaukee lights and we got a really positive response from the guys.
Every day's a different day. You can be down here on the shop floor working on engines in the cargo bays, or it can be upstairs in the cabin where the passengers sit. It changes on a daily basis.
The tools have to be reliable. We have to be able to call on that tool at any time. We must be able to go in and just go grab the tool at the shelf. It has to work.
Aircraft engineers are notorious for putting tools through their paces. So far, I've yet to see any of the Milwaukees fail.
The Milwaukee tower light is hugely beneficial for outdoor working operations. Battery powered, we don't have to worry about running extension leads out. It can be app driven, so you can adjust the brightness of the light, you can turn it on and off. It can all be done remotely.
The job site solution team is fantastic. They come round, they bring us the latest innovations, bring solutions to us.
It's really refreshing actually when we get a new load of Milwaukee tools and see how far the technology has advanced, and we can learn how that can improve our business. We expect the absolute best from our guys, and we can only expect that if we give them the best tools.